So hi guys, how's it going? So as you can see, my M235i have been modified for a while, and there's so many mods I already installed in the car. So there's my M235i, and today we have another mod for this car. Since I already did so many install on this car, including the racing seats, the carbon fiber steering wheel, 19-inch mags, carbon fiber spoiler, and also the M2 style conversion bumper. Today we have another mods again that's gonna drastically improve the look on this car. So guys, let's get started. So guys, we finally received the new mods for the M235i, because since I installed that M2 bumper on the front end of the car, I think it's missing something. And I found this part only on eBay, because most of them are too expensive. So I found a good deal on this one, but I have to wait 6 weeks for it to arrive. So I finally received it. I did open it up because there's a damage on the box. As you can see, this corner here is crushed, so it got damaged from shipping. So I have to open it up as soon as I receive it, just to make sure there's no damage on it. Now let's go check it out. So I used to buy the carbon look, but this time I bought the real thing. So this is a real carbon fiber, guys. As you can see, the finish on this is excellent. It's beautiful. So we're gonna install this. For sure it's gonna add a better look on that M2 bumper, for sure. As you can see, this is the real deal, guys. And this is the kit that came with the part. As usual, they don't give you a good 3M double-sided tape. So I went and buy the 3M super strength molding tape. Though this one has a better bond than the one that they gave you from the kit. And they gave you some screws also. Before we put the double-sided tape from 3M, it's a good idea to clean the surface. We're gonna stick the 3M on the splitter by using an alcohol and a microfiber towel. All we have to do is just wipe it off. Make sure it's nice and clean. We're gonna do the same thing also on the front bumper, just to make sure we're gonna get a good bond when we stick it together. See all the dirt that I got. So this is how I install the double-sided tape. I think I have enough coverage there to keep this splitter holding onto the bumper really well. Before we install the front splitter, we have to clean the bumper Make sure there's no contaminants or grease or anything that's gonna prevent the double-sided tape from sticking. So I did this to the red tape so I can pull it out when I install the front splitter to expose the sticky part of the double-sided tape. If you don't do this, you're gonna have a hard time to pull out that red tape after when you install it. So by doing this, it's easy pull. All the ones that's sticking out here, you just have to pull it out to expose the double-sided tape. So now we're ready to install it. See, I installed all the screws also. The screw there and the rest of the screws on the bottom. I installed them. So besides the double-sided tape, it's gonna have better adhesion to the front bumper by screwing it. So guys, this is how it looks like with my new front splitter on the M2 style bumper. So what do you think, guys? In my opinion, I think it really complements very well with the M2 style bumper. So if you have the same setup on your car, please let me know. Maybe there's other types of front splitter that might look good on the M2 style bumper. If not, just let me know how you think about this front splitter. So guys, there's more mods coming to this channel. So if you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.
I just can't deny giving me the best time.